Shalom everyone and welcome back. Today we're taking a look at the Olight i3T EOS. This is the first time for me. I've never owned an i3T. I do own an i5T and an i5R and an i3T Plus. The bamboo version, this is a copper flashlight, very heavy. This is the i5R. It goes up to 350 lumens, I believe. And this is the i5T, goes up to 250 lumens, I think. I'll put the numbers on the screen now. So this is the i3T Plus, this is the i5R, and this is the i5T. And just for comparison's sake, this is the S1R Baton 2, which goes up to 1000 lumens, but it's basically a 600 lumen flashlight with a 1000 lumen turbo mode, which doesn't last for very long, but it is a very, very capable flashlight. So these out of the way, we're going to talk about the i3T EOS from Olight. So first, let's go over the specs, and I'm just going to try and focus on this right here. So if you need to pause the screen right now, feel free to do so. We got 180 lumens for 60 meters, and it will last 21 minutes. The low mode is 5 lumens, which will go to a length of 12 meters and will last 16 hours. And the candela rating, if that matters to you, is 900 candela. It's shock resistant for up to 1.5 meters, and it is waterproof IPX8. That's it, basically. The dimensions are right there on the screen, so pause if you need to, if I can focus on that. There you go. Now you can pause if you need to see the dimensions. So without further ado, let's just jump into the package. First of all, it's a very basic Olight package. You know, they all look the same, feel the same, which is to say they're great. I do very much enjoy unboxing Olight products, and the next Olight product that we're gonna unbox is this tiny Olight iMini, but that's for another video. Let's just get into the Olight i3T. So there's a pull tab right there. You mess that up and then you get in with your finger and do that with your fingernail. So yeah, I always mess up these tear-offs. But anyways, you know, it's very easy to get into the box. So this is everything that you're getting. Underneath is a warranty card and a manual. This is the flashlight itself. It has a sticker that says read me, so let's do just that. There you go, you can read, there you go. Basically what it says is to unscrew the cap and just remove the security thing, the plate, the pancake, the yellow pancake thing right there. So this is basically what's cutting off the electricity, the power from the already installed battery to the flashlight. So you remove that, and now the flashlight can, let's have a look at the battery they give you. Now the flashlight can function. So it's an alkaline battery, nothing fancy here. It's not rechargeable. It's a 1.5 volt AAA, but I do have a 3.7 volt battery that we will check out. This is everything you're getting in the box. Nothing special. There's no lanyard. There are no spare O-rings and stuff. It's just a manual and the flashlight itself. This is a sexy flashlight. I've been waiting to put my hands on one of these i3Ts. I know I'm very late to the game and everybody has an i3T. It's a very old flashlight. It's a veteran in the EDC market, but however, I did want to get one for myself, and now I do. So let's have a quick size comparison between the i3T and the i5T right here. Let's just put them right here so you can see. So you got the i5T here, you got the i3T right there, you got the i5R, which is essentially an i5T with a rechargeable battery, and this is the Plus version right there. So you can see the differences in size and length. This is the S1R Baton 2, just for reference. And if we take a look at the diameter, this is what we're dealing with. So you got the i5T on the right and the i5R on the left right there. So these are the diameters you're looking at. The clip is very similar. The clip is a two-directional pocket clip that you can either clip to your pocket or to the brim of your cap, you know, the brim of your hat, if you're wearing a baseball cap. It's smaller on the i3T, obviously, because the i5T is a bigger flashlight. But let's get all these out of the way and take a look at the light itself. So first click takes you to low mode. If I can, there you go. So the first click goes to low mode. This is 5 lumens. And the second click goes to high mode, which is 180 lumens. This is low mode, 5 lumens. And this is high mode, 180 lumens. And this is a pretty nice light. Like the color temperature is nice. It's not very warm. It's not very cool. It's just nice. Let's compare that to the i5T here. We'll put that in high mode as well, so you can see the different colors. This is the i5T. This is the i3T. These are both side by side. And we're just going to lay these on the table right here and bring in the i5R. So this is the i5R right there. It's upside down for you guys. This right there, you can see it. The i5R, we're going to put that one on high as well. Right there. And we're going to bring in the i3T Plus. This is the bamboo version. Very heavy, it's copper. And we're just going to put this one on high as well, so you can see the different light beams. So here we have the i3T, this is the i5T, this is the i5R, and this is the i3T Plus, which is essentially an i3T but runs on 2 AAA batteries. So there you go. These are all the lights, the different light beams. So let's click all these off. We can get back to our normal, regular lighting situation here. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below about the i3T. I've been waiting to put my hands on this tiny flashlight, and it's very small. It's very compact, and I believe it's going to be very easy to carry. I don't know. I'm used to these thick lights. I don't carry the i3T Plus very often because it's very heavy, but I do carry these, and I do carry the Pineapple, the regular Raylight Pineapple. I don't have the Pineapple Mini. I want to get one someday, but for now I'm carrying the regular Pineapple. So I'm used to carrying thicker lights, and this is a very slim light. Like the diameter is very small compared to the ones I'm used to carrying. So I'm thinking I'm going to enjoy carrying this. Now, pairing this with the Victorinox Climber that I unboxed yesterday and combining that with my all stainless steel pen and putting that up next to my Ride in the Rain notepad and bringing in my everyday watch, which is the Casio Edifice, this is my carry. This is what I'm going to be carrying this upcoming week for the entire week. So you're looking at my pocket dump, and I also carry a lighter because I am a smoker, unfortunately. So I do smoke, so I carry a lighter. So this is my carry. This is what I'm going to be carrying this week. And, you know, I'll let you guys know how I'm doing with the brand new Victorinox Climber that if you haven't watched the video of me unboxing this, it will wait for you down in the comment section below or in the description box below. We just posted the video yesterday, so I'm gonna put a link down in the description box for you guys. This is the flashlight that I'm gonna be using this week, and this is my pen. I do have other pens, but this is my favorite. I do have like a mini, just a regular Pilot G2. Is it a G2? Yeah. So it's the G2 extra small, and I do have like a beefier pen that I sometimes carry. This is my notepad. This is my everyday notepad. This is what I write in. This is my lighter. I do have other lighters. I have this one. They're both butane turbojets kind of deal. This I like it because of the mechanism. You know, you pull and you get the light. So this is my preferred lighter. This is my watch. This is my everyday watch, except for when I'm wearing my Xiaomi Mi Band 5, whatever. But this is the watch that I enjoy wearing. So that's my carry. Let me know down in the comment section below, what do you think about my carry for this week? And I will talk to you guys later. Thank you so much for joining me. Thank you for your time. Thank you for being here. And if you enjoyed the video, feel free to give it a like. And if you enjoy my content in general, just go ahead and subscribe. We've just passed 600 subscribers. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much for being here and subscribing to the channel and, you know, returning to watch my videos. That's amazing to me. Like, honestly, I'm honestly amazed. That you guys are, you know, subscribing and watching my videos and commenting and talking to me. So yeah, keep doing that. I truly enjoy talking to you guys. Thank you so much for being here. And I will catch you all in the next video. Adios.